The Shopify store is exciting, but managing everything from product listings and marketing to customer support can quickly become overwhelming. Writing product descriptions takes time. AI can generate a first draft from your product details, which you can quickly customize to match your brand and save valuable time. AI design tools like Canva AI can create banners, remove backgrounds, and generate social media posts in minutes, helping you launch promotions faster. AI tools like ChatGPT can generate emails, blog ideas, social posts, and ad copy in seconds, giving you a first draft you can quickly customize. AI chatbots like Shopify Inbox and Tidio AI answer FAQs, provide order updates, and offer 24/7 customer support. AI can help create SEO-friendly titles, meta descriptions, blog outlines, and keyword ideas, making content creation faster while you refine the final draft. AI analyzes customer behavior, sales trends, and inventory needs, helping you make faster, smarter, and data-driven business decisions. AI isn't replacing creativity, it's helping you work smarter by automating content, marketing, support, and SEO tasks. Which AI tool will you try first? If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to learn Woo, and visit our website for more Shopify and WooCommerce tutorials.